What you'll need for today is some LED tape. Today we're working with pixel tape, connectors, soldering equipment, solder, wire cutters and strippers, tweezers, and some blue tack. But today we're going to be demonstrating the JST SM connector that we use with ENTTEC pixel tape. And now it's time to prep our job. First is we're going to take a little bit of blue tack and we're going to place it on our working surface. We can use this blue tack to hold our LED tape so it doesn't move while we're trying to work with it. Just strip the wire. Then we'll twist the strands together. We'll tin the wire by applying solder and heat. Now it's time to solder our connectors to our LED tape. You'll also need to retain a bit of downward pressure on the wire so that it doesn't spring away before the solder joint cools. And there we have it. We've now soldered our connector to our pixel tape. We can now use a matching connector to wire into a controller. Or we can even join another section of tape, allowing us to chain sections together with a detachable link.